Today's adventure on this absolutely gorgeous day is a hike to Echo Lake. Be sure to sign in. Echo Lake Trail, the Codfish Point Trail, whatever you want to call it, it's a gorgeous trail. Someone cut trail for me, so that is much appreciated. Hopefully it takes me all the way to Echo Lake, but I'm enjoying it. Well-needed day of nature and sun and not negative degrees.
There's a little child running around.
It's only gonna get nicer. I didn't pack much. Overlook Trail. That's what we're on. They call it the Overlook Trail. I called it Codfish Point, and I called it Echo Lake. But like I said, whatever you call it, you better call it beautiful, because that's exactly what this is. Wow. This is perfect. Absolutely perfect. I still have trekking poles on there. That's good if I need them. Not a huge trekking pole fan, but I do like them for deep lines. All right, I'm just gonna stop talking and enjoy this, because this is marvelous. This is marvelous. There you go. We just left the Platte Cove Wilderness. We're leaving that. We're in New York State. We're on the foot trail. We're on blue. And this is, I'm gonna lose a layer. I'm gonna take a little stop up here and lose a layer. This is perfect. Wow. Pleasant walk. If you know anything about red, that's the Devil's Path that way. Here we go, we got some signage, and that's where we're going, to Echo Lake and the Echo Lake Lean-To. 3 miles on a gorgeous day on a broken trail. It's a tiny lean-to. Oh, that feels good. Get some air in there. Whew. Still got a trail cut, that's nice. Substantially deeper. But there's still a trail cut. That's nice. Okay, the trail keeps going that way and it's cut, but as you can see, there's a yellow marker here and there's a yellow marker here. This is deep. However, this leads to Codfish Point, a spectacular hangout. We're named after the fact that a bunch of workers, quarrymen, came out here and got trapped during a snowstorm, and they stayed out here for, I don't know, 3 days before anyone can get to them, and the only thing they had to eat were cans of codfish, pickled codfish. So this is Codfish Point, and it's really cool. That thing just rolled down there. I'm glad I'm not that thing rolling. Well, this is Codfish Point. And this is where a bunch of people were trapped for a bunch of days. Deep snow. Beautiful snow. And whoever wasn't friendly gave up right here. We gotta go around Platte Mountains. This mountain right here. We gotta go around it, and on the back side will be Echo Lake. We're in some deep stuff now. Alright, just got tougher. Here's them cutting through. Way steep at times when you fall and sink in. Still gotta get around Catskill Mountain. This thing, as you can see, it's getting smaller there. Gotta go around it. Get to this lake, get some solid spots, and then every now and then you sink into your waist. My sticks are just going almost straight down. Whoa. Hopefully, when this meets up with Overlook, someone carved a path. If not, I'll keep carving. Okay, this is some of the toughest hiking I've ever done. Look at that. Look at that. I don't have my snow caps on these things, so they're pushing right down. However, I'm going straight down as well. That is some tough hiking. Platte Mountains ending soon. Let's reevaluate when we get up on this corner. This keeps it nice. The sun is gorgeous. I'm working hard. I'm gonna push up to there and then get a water break. Been going at it at a good clip. All right, let's buckle up. Longer snowshoe or one of those adapters to make your shoes longer, that would have been helpful. This is decent right now. Cut this trail. Looks like all winter. Maybe. Whoa! at this. That's crazy. You step on the snow and then it just drops down. Crazy. All right, if I'm cutting my own trail, I'm gonna cut my own trail. I'm gonna get off trail. As you see, the trail goes that way. Then eventually it goes uphill and then it'll curve back down over to here. I'm just gonna see how it goes going this way. Why not? As the crow flies, right? We shall see. Oh. Cutting trail anyways, I might as well cut trail. My own trail. Whoa, this is pretty cool. Deep. Whoa. Don't want to catch a toe. Go head over heels. Probably tough for doing it this way. Seemed what I do to do. Give me a trail somewhere. Give me a blue marker. A marker? Oh, it looks like one. Looks like a trail. Nice. Should have stayed on it. Whoa. All right, we cut that trail out. We found it. Oh, this part's nice. Right? Easy. Through there. Skiing down a mountain. There's Overlook Mountain up there. There's Echo Lake coming into town. Here we are, coming into Echo Lake. Got the signage. Can't camp too close to the lake. Probably whatever you carry in, carry out, all that stop. Use of possession of bait fish prohibited, ice fishing prohibited, artificial lures only, trout April 1, September 30, minimum 12, daily limit 2. People come here and catch trout? No way. Think about that. Oh yes. This is, look at these losers. There's a bunch of twisted tees there. Oh. That is so nice. There you go. I'm gonna have myself a snack. Look at that Goldschlager. Oh, I remember those days. Kind of. Weather. The sun feels amazing. Here's some woodpeckers. There you go, Echo Lake. Is this technically Woodstock? I think we might be in Woodstock. Maybe. This is nice. Echo Lake Lean-To. See you later. Whoa, sinking in. 4.3. Awesome. Oh, crap. I can cut this part. Here's my old trail where I got off. Thank God. This is strenuous cutting. Oh, thank God I got footprints. Whew. That's where I went off trail. That's back to the truck. Particularly deep spot. Look at that. Look at this trail I cut. Deep as hell. Whew. I'm so pumped I'm going downhill. Still strenuous, but at least we're going down.
Gone home.